Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle alerts in robotic framework. How many ways we can able to do it for that accessing for that elements. Basically whenever we do for we can able to most of the time Selenium provides for accept and dismiss, right? Even our robotic framework it supports additional one is leave. This is a one also it's a additional supporting. Basically whenever the web application it is started it's common way we can able to provide that particular whether it is if OK button is there then we can able to make it for acceptance then it will accept that one. Dismiss is there then like canceling or plus symbol into symbol then we can able to do it for dismiss. And leave is basically additional one it is robotic framework supporting that particular pop-up we are going to leave like that only. Okay, how we can able to achieve we'll see in this programming way. Most of the alert boxes will come as a small one when we are running program. In between it will comes like if something you click then it will maybe it will get some small box and there you can able to see for that this is 09. Example like see now here there is a small button click me then if I click this one there is a pop-up it is coming like it is a alert box. In this alert box you can able to see like OK cancel. If you click OK then it will goes again. If you click cancel again it will close. This is a format we can able to do the couple of operation like accept and dismiss. Additional leave is like we are going to check keep that pop-up is live only. And also we can able to do it for verifying this value whether it is presented or not in this particular pop-up. Okay, these things we are going to watch on our program now. Settings and we are going to do for libraries. Selenium library and I'm going to do for directly test cases. I'm not going to create any variables because directly I'm going to using for that URL. Okay, alert test case open browser. I'm going to provide this URL and next is Chrome because we need to provide for the browser which browser we need to do it. And after that I need to do for maximize the browser. Now I done the maximization then I need to click this one. For that I need to do for inspecting that particular button click me that is a function. Okay, we'll copy XPath and that XPath will click button and I'm going to provide XPath colon that XPath. Okay, then I'm going to wait sometime. I'll use for sleep 2 seconds. Okay, then same sleep I can able to use for top also because after loading I need to wait some more time to wait the page. Okay, then after that I have to do for acceptance. If I click that button, I have to handle. Now I can able to handle alert. I can able to use accept. Okay. Then after that it will close, right? Again I'll wait 2 seconds. Then again I'll click for dismiss, right? First I will check for this one. Uh, I'll use for 2 seconds, then close browser. Okay. Now we can able to TC9. Now I'm going to launch this browser and I'm going to clicking that button. Then I'm going to accept, click that accept button, waiting for 2 seconds. Then I'm going to close the browser. Okay. This is my action now. Now page is loaded, maximized. It clicks, wait 2 seconds. Now it is accepted. Then it is closed. Right now we can able to see the same thing. Dismiss and alert. We can able to do it for dismiss. Now how it will do the dismiss we can able to see now. Same how that do that accept OK button, the same format this is also going to do for same for accepting. Dismiss also. It will click for cancel button. It is cancel the then it is closed. Okay, now same thing we can able to do it for leave is additional thing our robot framework supports alert. That is leave. Leave means it will not close that alert box, but it will still alive for that particular browser place only. It, it will not close after 2 seconds also because we are used for leave. And final content is we are going to verifying that particular box value whether this particular press a button whether it is present or not we are going to check. If we are checking that alert box we can able to validate for that particular alert box having some content in that, right? Now I'm going to comment this one and now alert should be present. This is the one we are going to see. Importation. We can able to use there are a couple of things. One is alert should not be present means something it is not present in that alert box, that also we can able to check. Okay, These two conditions we can able to verify whether that particular alert box having some data or not. Those things also. Now I provided that one. Now we can able to see. Now it is max match and it is click the button and close the browser. Even you can able to see alert. If it is verified, then it will pass. Yes, it is verified, then it is passed. Okay, this a way we can able to do for even if you are using alert should not be present, which is a value it is not presented in that particular one. If you are provide, then it will fail, because if you are using the same which data it is presented, then it will show, because this press a button is presented. If you are mentioning if it should not be means it will fail, right? You can able to give something different name and it will pass it. And different ways you can able to verify those contents also, whether it is presented or not, whether it is present, like that. Okay, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, but don't forget to give some comments. If you give the comments, then based upon that I can able to give the more content of videos. Thank you.